Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a status on WhatsApp. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to share updates and moments with your contacts. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. And once you're on the main screen, you will see these number of options at the bottom of your screen. So tap on Status tab. Now in the Status tab, you will see a few options. At the top, you have the option to add a new status by tapping on My Status. Now tap on My Status and this will open your camera. Here you have two options. You can take a new photo or a video by tapping the shutter button for a photo or holding it down for a video. And if you prefer to use an existing photo or video from your gallery, then swipe up on your screen to access your media library. Now here you can select a photo or a video you want to add to your status. And once you have selected your media, you will be taken to the editing screen. You can add a caption to your status in the Add a Caption field. And this is where you can type any text you want or any emoji to accompany your photo or video. You can add text to your status. For that, you can tap on this T icon. And if you want to add emojis, tap on this sticker icon. And now you can choose any sticker you want to add on your status. Or if you want to draw something on your photo or video, tap on the pencil icon. And now you can draw anything on your photo or video. WhatsApp also allows you to control who can see your status updates. Look below the caption field and you will notice an option to control who can see this particular status. Tap on it to choose from My Contacts Accept, or Only Share With. This lets you manage the visibility of your status right before posting it. And when you're ready, tap the Send button, which is at the bottom right corner. Your status will now be uploaded and visible to your chosen contacts. And you can add more than one status update by repeating this process. And your status updates will automatically disappear after 24 hours. And if you want to delete a status update, then go to Status tab. Simply tap on those three dots. And you can see here we have this option of delete. Click on it and that's it. And to see who has viewed your status, tap on your status. And at the bottom, you will see an eye icon with a number next to it. So tap on this eye icon to see a list of contacts who have viewed the particular status update. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.